Right. So then step five, I thought step five would be go celebrate your abundant life. But it's intriguing because this is the step that says be open. So would you say more about that?
So yeah, if your dream shows up in a different way than you think it should, if your goal shows up differently, it's probably a sign it's from spirit and not your ego. Because we all think we know what it should look like, what success looks like, what the husband, the spouse, the partner looks like, what the greatest job looks like. But often we've been wrong. Often we are disappointed by we try and manifest something and we work really hard on it and it's ultimately unfulfilling. Whereas the universe, spirit, God, has infinite ways of fulfilling our good. And when we look beyond the material and the surface level, the undergirdings that we really want are the most important things. What I wanted in a partner was to be loved and supported. It didn't matter the package it came in ultimately, because the package that it comes in was loving and supporting. I get everything I need in abundance, in real abundance, because I'm not limiting the universe, saying no. Often we say no to our good before we've even explored it. So being open means being willing to see beyond what we think is right to what could be even better, what could be even greater than we imagined,
Mhm.
and surprised by it. So being open for me means being vulnerable and being real and, and looking to have a life beyond our wildest dreams. So that's what I mean about we don't limit the universe. We're open to something greater. And I think that has a lot to do with, Ellen, if we have time, to talking about what lies underneath. I think manifestation has a lot to do with purpose, and I don't know if we had time to talk about purpose, but that what one of the things that really helps is to understand that there is something that underlies all dreams and goals. We want to be successful, but really what we want to do is make a difference in the world. And so there's infinite ways to make a difference in the world. We may have a definition of success, but those little subtle differences allows you to be open to how it's going to show up.
Yeah.